Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram notification sound in Android. So if you are tired of the same old Instagram notification sound, in this video I'll show you how you can change it in just a few taps. And there's no extra app needed. So first, you just need to go to your Android phone settings. Here, click on settings and find apps. Scroll down, click on apps or app management, and after that scroll down and tap on Instagram in your list of install app. And now you can click on this notifications options, and here I need to enable this, and here this will show all the type of notification Instagram can send. And now you can just tap on the Instagram direct or the Instagram commands in here, and you'll see an options called sound, and this is what we want, but this one. Okay, you can just click on one of the options, let's say comment likes, and here you'll see sound. You can tap on sound, and here you can just choose a new sound. So pick your favorite sound from the list, and you can even add a custom tone if you've downloaded one. You can click on the custom ringtone if you want to. So you can just add the MP3 to your ringtones or notification folder if you want the custom one. Here, find the one that you like. Let's say this one, cuckoo, or let's try bird. Let's try the custom ringtone. Here, you just need to find the audio files of the ringtone that you want. Okay, so I'm going to sum up again. If you want to change the Instagram sound notification sound, you can just go to your Android settings app, and then click on apps management or app list, and find Instagram from the list, and click on notifications, and here you can choose the type of notifications that you want to change its sound. Let's say commands, and tap on sound in here and choose the new sound that you want. That's all for me. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and drop a comment if you want a video on custom ringtones or message tones next. Also, don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.